Zimbabwe's government has launched what ICT Minister Mavetera calls a groundbreaking national cybersecurity training program aimed at training 10,000 young people as digital defenders. Sabira mashoko ari kuda panguva ine anokunzi Mavetera unleashes 10,000 Varakashi to monitor social media activities. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. However, critics argue that this initiative raises serious concerns about the government's increasing control over online space and potential targeting of citizens' social media activities. In a statement on Thursday, Mavetera proudly declared a proud moment for Zimbabwe as we launched a groundbreaking national cybersecurity training program to train an initial 10,000 young Zimbabweans in critical digital defense skills. While the program is pitched as a tech empowerment opportunity, many question if it is simply a means to create a large force of Varakashi, government-aligned monitors tasked with policing online expression. Mavetera described the training as not just a technical, but also a way to empower our youth to become ethical hackers, cybersecurity analysts, and guardians of our digital future. But with Zimbabwe's troubling history of cracking down on dissent, concerns remain that these guardians may end up enforcing censorship rather than protecting genuine cybersecurity interests. The minister also touted scholarships offered through partnership with Cyprus and Komi Foundation, stating, in quotes, "We are also offering an initial 160 scholarship for youth across the Sadc region, opening doors to a global industry set to exceed $200 billion. Yet skeptics wonder how many would truly benefit beyond a select few, while the bulk of the recruits might be used to surveil ordinary citizens." Mavetera concluded, "We are building a Zimbabwe that doesn't just consume technology, but leads it. This is about talent, sovereignty, and secure digital economy for all." Critics, however, see this sovereignty as a euphemism for tighter sets of control rather than genuine empowerment. This move yamavetera ichikriticizwa nevanhu. Pena comment section medu muzamafukuro aim to pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.